Okay guys, we're back with another test here. This time I'm using this big 125 kilovolt rectifier tube to generate X-rays. Last test I used this kind of homemade X-ray tube. It's just a GL451 General Electric rectifier. It's 30 kilovolt. I just have some lead shielding, as this thing does emit quite a bit of radiation, as you've seen, the visible camera radiation. And now this thing doesn't emit as much radiation as that tube, but I just thought it was pretty impressive that these ignition coils could like squeeze some radiation out of this high voltage tube from an X-ray system. So here's the setup. As a contrast to before, I just had the ignition coils. This time I have a whole filament supply. This is the main filament transformer. These are isolators. I didn't have an isolation transformer, so I just used two 24-volt transformers and put them like back to back. And then there's a variac to vary the power. So I'll show you the filament here. I have to put it like close to the max power before it actually does anything. Like so, I can lessen it. Lessen some more. Let's put it to the max. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And actually, without the filament, it wouldn't be able to generate any X-rays. I've tested it. Actually, I'll show you now. I'll put the filament at max, and I'll show you with tape, black electrical tape over my camera, so you can only see the radiation, not anything else. Okay, now my camera is about an inch away from the bulb, so I'm going to turn on the filament now. Okay, and now the high voltage. Okay, the high voltage is off now. Alright, now depending on what device you're using, you might have to turn up the brightness, as I did to make it the easiest. I'd say the radiation isn't that extreme as the smaller rectifier tube, but I can't say because I don't have a Geiger counter. And I plan to make a phosphor screen out of like some CRT phosphor. I just have some pieces here. Something like this. I have other broken CRTs I can use. So that'll be all for today. Thanks for watching.